Generate n unique random numbers within a range. I know how to generate a random number within a range in Python. And I know I can put this in a loop to generate n amount of these numbers. However, I need to make sure each number in that list is unique. Other than a load of conditional statements, is there a straightforward way of generating n number of unique random numbers? The important thing is that each number in the list is different to the others. So, 12, 5, 6, 1 equals good. But 12, 5, 5, 1 equals bad, because the number 5 occurs twice.
If you just need sampling without replacement, random.sample takes a population and a sample size k and returns k random members of the population. If you have to control for the case where k is larger than len population, you need to be prepared to catch a value error.
Generate the range of data first and then shuffle it like this. By doing this way, you will get all the numbers in the particular range but in a random order. But you can use random.sample to get the number of elements you need from a range of numbers like this.
You could add to a set until you reach n. Be careful of having a smaller range than will fit in n. It will loop forever, unable to find new numbers to insert up to n.
You could use the random.sample function from the standard library to select k elements from a population. In case of a rather large range of possible numbers, you could use itertools.isLice with an infinite random generator. After the question update, it is now clear that you need n distinct, unique numbers.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.